The Pokemon Pokeball is a really easy cake to make. You can make any size round cake, have some white frosting, and frosting half of the cake. I normally level my cakes before frosting them, but for this cake, I wanted the rounded look. Mix up some red frosting and frost half of the cake. I apologize, I lost the footage of frosting the black parts of the cake. I do have a picture of the ending result though. But all I did was have black frosting. I frosted about 2 inches of the black line across the cake. Then after that, I had frosted probably about a 3-inch diameter of white frosting right there in the middle, and then add the black details. And that's it. Pretty simple cake. If you don't mind, please like and subscribe. This is an easy, cheap Pokemon decoration for like a birthday party. So I got 2 white poster boards. One is going to be for the main decoration, and then the other one I'm going to use to cut circles out of using red adhesive vinyl and black adhesive vinyl. Taking the red adhesive vinyl and putting it on the poster board. So I marked where I wanted the red adhesive to stop, and the red adhesive vinyl is 12 inches. Cutting the black adhesive vinyl to 3.5 inches, putting the black vinyl on the poster board. I trimmed the poster board so there's the 12 inches of the red up top and then 12 inches of white on the bottom. I used the second white poster board and I have this gold ring. The ring makes like a 8-inch circle. That seemed like the perfect size for the circle part. Trace that and cut that out. The ribbon holder makes like a 3.5-inch small circle. Use that, trace that, and cut that out. You can use regular tape, you can use glue, you can use whatever you have, hot glue. But I used double-sided tape and I just stuck those together. Then I just used a Sharpie and colored the edge of each of those circles, stuck it on there. I chose to write happy birthday, my son's name on it, but you could don't have to write anything. You could write anything you want. And that's it. Pretty simple. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.